Hey everyone, Michael here with syGlass. Today I'm going to quickly teach you about the Annotation Wizard. Here I've got a data set with a couple of different types of annotations. Here I've got some counting points, I've got some traces. Over here I've got some measurements. So I'm going to take off the VR headset and just look at the 2D monitor. So here's my mouse. So I'm going to click on Project and pick Annotations Wizard. So here I'm on Experiment Demo, and I've got 7 counting points, 3 different measurements, and tracing nodes. And what I can do here is, let's say I wanted to export my counting points. I can click the export button, go to some place like the desktop, and here I can pick the 2 different file types I can output, either JSON or CSV. So here I can call it something and hit save. One other thing I can do here, I can go to this specific annotation and just delete the entire annotation type. Now, when I come back into Thorlabs, I can see that the tracing data is now completely invisible while the other annotations are still there.
With the updated Annotation Wizard, you can also copy selected annotations from certain experiments into others with ease. Download the latest version of syGlass to keep updated with all the latest tools and features. Follow us on YouTube, Twitter, Instagram, LinkedIn, and visit our website for more information. Thanks for staying updated. We'll see you next time.